Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Viber on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how without skipping it, and press the bell icon for more updates from us. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have downloaded Viber on your device. Now, let's move forward. Tap open your Viber application from your chat screen. Tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Doing this will open your profile. Now, in order to log out, tap on the Settings button from the menu and tap on General at the bottom of the screen right. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see an Exit button. Tap on Exit and tap on OK from the pop-up. With this, you'll be signed out or logged out of Viber. That is how you can easily log out of your Viber application on your Android device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.